Here's how to permanently delete apps from the iPhone's app library. Let me talk about it. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, of course, on your home screen of the iPhone, you can swipe through all of the pages. And all the way on the right side, you can find the app library. Like when you run out of the pages to scroll through, there is going to be the app library. And I get it, it might be a little bit confusing because when you hold down on an app on the home screen, it's going to give you the ability to remove it, but you can remove it just from the home screen or delete it permanently. Right, so that's what you can do. And if you delete the app from the home screen, like not just remove it, but delete it actually, then it will disappear from the app library as well. Or you can go directly to the app library and hold down on the app icon and click on delete app, and this will also make it disappear from the phone completely as well as from this place. So that's something which you can do, right? Okay, it works for third-party apps. The built-in apps like settings or the Safari are a little bit more complicated because you cannot really delete the settings. It's very it's a core app which you cannot get rid of, so you cannot really do anything with that one. But also one more thing you can consider is holding down on an icon and clicking on require Face ID, which then lets you hide the app in require Face ID. So that's going to move it into this hidden folder at the bottom, which can make sure that you essentially have the app hidden away. It doesn't appear in the search, it doesn't appear on home screen, and you also removed it from the app library while still keeping it there in the hidden folder, so you can always come back to it. It's just not shown anywhere. So these are the options which we have. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. I would really appreciate your feedback. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.